Hello boys and girls, how are you? Welcome back to our native animal classes. Today we will talk about native birds of San Luis. There are many beautiful native birds in this province, but today we will talk about 3. But first, let's talk about some parts of birds' bodies. So birds have wings to fly, but some birds have wings and can't fly. The wings are made of feathers. And the mouth part of a bird is called the beak. And some birds have sharp claws on their feet. Okay, now let's look at our first native bird today, which is the condor. The condor is a very big bird, one of the biggest in the world. The wingspan of the condor is 3 meters. The condor can fly long distances. The female condors have red eyes. The male condors have brown eyes. Condors can live up to 50 years old. Okay, our next bird is Nyandu, or rhea in English. The rhea can't fly. The rhea has long legs. The rhea can run 60 kilometers per hour, very fast. The rhea eats plants, fruit, insects, and sometimes small animals like lizards. Another native bird of San Luis is the Peregrine Falcon. The Peregrine Falcon is the fastest animal on the planet, faster than a cheetah. The Peregrine Falcon can fly and dive at over 300 kilometers per hour. The Peregrine Falcon eats other birds. San Luis has some amazing native birds. Okay, go to the platform, complete the exercise on native birds, and see you on Friday to talk about native reptiles. Okay, bye-bye.